Hello friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we will see one of the important feature of Gmail. Friends, you all must agree with me that whenever we want to send an email, the timing may not be the correct. Means you think about something that I want to send this by email and you think about that at 7 a.m. in the morning and you want to send that mail at 11 a.m. So you have two options, either to send an email at 7 a.m. or to go to office at 11 a.m. and send the mail. But in second case, the chances will be there you may forgot to send an email. So can I do something in such a way that I will send an email at 7 a.m. but the same will reach to the recipient at 11 a.m. automatically. So in today's video we will see how to schedule an email in Gmail. Let's see friends. First of all, we have to open an email and we have to just click on this compose to send a new email. One important point to be noted is here we have to first compulsory mention the name of the person to whom you want to send an email. So I will write any recipient, I will just write, and in subject I will write hello, and in text portion I can write anything. Here I will write test mail. Then you have to click on the right side on this three dot button over here, just click. In that you have to click on schedule send. I will do that. Here you will say 4 or 5 options will be there. It will suggest you want to send it tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, Monday morning, or you can select as per your choice. So for a moment I will just click on click date and time. Here you can see, if you will click on this arrow you will see the entire calendar. Say for example I want to send the mail on 25th. I will click on 25th Monday and I will press OK. I want to send a mail at, say for example, at 12 o'clock and 30 minutes. So I will select the time and I will press OK. Here then you have to click on schedule send button. So I will just type this. It's scheduled, you can see over here. But if you want to view all the scheduled mail, how you can view that? For that you just click on this three line which is on the left side top corner. I will just do it. In that you just click on this scheduled. Yeah, it will show the list of all scheduled mail, and if you want to send it immediately you can just do a click on this. It will show you it is scheduled send. You can also cancel this, so I will click on this cancel send. Okay, let's wait. Here it will be automatically saved in the draft, but if you want to send, just click on this. You add something like this and you can send it just by clicking send button. Okay, yeah, it's sent. Hope friends I have added 1% to your knowledge. If you feel the video is good, please like, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Keep smiling. Take care.